Welcome back guys. In this video, you will learn how to create this concentric shape inside Adobe Illustrator easily. Let's get started. Let's create a new document. I'll input 1920 by 1080 here and click on create. Let's start by customizing the color palette we are going to use. Grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar and then just create a small rectangle here like so. With the shape selected, let's change its fill from the foreground. I'll pick this shade, click OK. Then let's get rid of the stroke. Let's add another copy of it by holding down the Alt key, that will be the Option key on the Mac. I'll just move it here. And then with the second shape selected, let's double click here and pick a brighter shade of that particular color. Like this one. Click OK. Select the two shapes, then go to Object, choose Blend and Make. Then let's go back to Blend, choose Blend Options, click here and choose Specified Steps. Input 3 here, press the Tab key and click OK. Hold the Alt key and add one more copy this way. Then let's simply select the first copy and change its color. Now the color palette is ready. To create the concentric shape, let's click here and choose the ellipse tool. I'll remove the fill and choose a black stroke. Then I'll just click somewhere around here and drag. So I'm clicking, I hold the Shift key to make sure it's a perfect circle. Let's copy this shape by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F. Ctrl+F is going to paste the copy shape in front. Hold down the Shift key and then just come to this anchor point and just drag it up like so. Select the Move tool, then hold the Option key, that will be the Alt key on the PC. Click there and drag it down. Hold the Shift key to snap, just like so. Now we have 3 circles all together. Let's duplicate the background one more time by pressing Ctrl+C, Ctrl+F. To transform it towards the center, let's hold Shift and Alt key, and then come to this handle and just drag to the inside like so. Now let's select all these shapes. Then let's use the Shape Builder tool. Then let's change the fill to any color for now. I'll just pick this one, and then you can either start from here or from here. I'll click here and simply drag this way to the outside. It fills with that particular color instantly. Let's change it to another color, such as this one. Same thing, I'll also click here and drag from the inside to the outside, just like so. Let's get rid of the outer stroke. Click here and choose No Fill for the stroke. And this is the concentric shape, but we need to add some gradient to these individual pieces here. I'll press Ctrl+Z to undo. Then with the first part here selected, I'll click on Gradient. Then I'll simply click on the gradient bar here. Since we have 2 color stops here, I'll select the first color stop, pick the Eyedropper tool. Then I'll sample this color from here. I'll select the next stop and sample this other color. With the Move tool, I'll select the other part of the shape. Then I'll also enable the gradient. And then let's reverse the gradient here. I'll click the color stop this way and drag it to the right. Click this one and drag it to the left. I just want to affect this individual portion, so I'll select that particular stop here, pick the Eyedropper tool and sample this other color. Now let's group the 2 pieces together. Select everything and press Ctrl+G on the keyboard. With the text tool, I'll just click here and input some text. And that is it guys, we are done. This is how you can easily create a customized concentric shape inside of Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye bye.